Hello and welcome to this demo of Lydul. Today we will focus on timesheets. And so we will use the desktop app, but it would work just the same way on any mobile device or iPad. And then we do recommend that you pause this video and follow along on your own device. So the first step is to go to Lydul.com and click on Sign In or Start Now. This will open up a new tab and where you can create your own account. And then you can authenticate with your own phone number. I will skip this step for this demo, but we do recommend that you use your phone number to authenticate. We will send you a one-time password to your phone number. That way you don't have to remember the password, and you can still use the same phone number to access your single account from any device. And since today we want to talk about timesheets, we will select the preset that's called Timesheet Management. All right, so on the left, you have a list of all the crew members. And on the right is a calendar of all the jobs that you have scheduled. So without further ado, let's create our first job. And if you want to create a batch of new jobs, then you can uncheck this box, and this will allow you to create multiple jobs back to back. But since we want to open up that specific job right away, let's just keep that box checked. And now we can create the job. Now I can invite some crew members. Let me invite the demo employee number 1. And then I can, of course, invite real people. And use the QR code to do so. And so inviting new people in Lydul is very easy. I automatically scan the QR code, and as you can see, I'm invited into Lydul. I'll create my own account. And that's it. Now we can both see the same job. At the top are the details about the job, and at the bottom, it works just like any social app, WhatsApp or Slack, and anyone can provide updates, document their job, and especially clock in. So I will clock in from the device of Mike. And as you can see, everyone is actually notified. I can then provide some updates and document my job with photos, notes, create tasks, files, PDFs, floor plans, and I'll also track some time manually. So let me just add some time here. And I will enable an hourly rate of $15 with some comments. All right. I can also upload some receipts, for example, for incidentals. And of course, I can clock out. Now I will mark this job as done. So you have a good idea of how to document your job as well as keep track of all your expenses and keep track of your time. Lydul provides a pretty good overview for managers of who's doing what at any moment in the week, as well as providing the crew members in the field with an easy way to, on any given day, see what they're supposed to work on. Now, as you can see, between the start and the finish date, Mike Lewis logged 2 hours and 11 minutes for a total of $82.75. And so tracking expenses and timesheets is very easy in Lydul. And then you can also review the logs that Mike submitted. And then you can accept or reject the different logs. From there, you would be able to export those logs to any third-party account through integrations, for example, QuickBooks or Gusto. That's it for this demo. We now recommend that you go to Lydul.com to create your own jobs, invite your own crews, and start tracking timesheets.